Welcome to Thrilled Thrifter. My name is Julie, and today we are going thrifting for some organization supplies at the Goodwill store. Y'all know I get easily distracted, so we do start back here in the home decor section where I spotted this beautiful picture, and y'all, I cannot stand it. It's a little pricey, but I'm definitely going to put that in my buggy and think about it because it is gorgeous. So I love mason jars like this, and I do believe that this one is vintage. But y'all, I was so hyper focused on getting organization things to go in like my drawers and in my cabinets to hold spices and different things like that, that I did end up putting that back. And once I was home and editing, it's one of those items that I really wish I would have brought home on that day because I loved it so much. But that's okay. There is going to be another one out there for me to grab. So we're just going to continue thrifting in this Goodwill and see what else we can find. So you can never go wrong with a peg rack when you are trying to get organized. These can help you hold so many different things, from coats to umbrellas to you name it. And baskets are always a plus when you are trying to get your home organized. You can use them all over the place. I have a whole video on how I have used 55 thrifted baskets in and throughout my home. I'll put a link to that down in the description box. And then y'all, I saw this expandable little peg rack here, and I loved the color of this. This is perfect. I almost grab these every time I see them, even if I don't need them, and I can always find somebody to give them to. And then look at this cast iron pan. I have a couple of these, so I'm gonna leave this behind for someone else. Plus, it's $13, y'all. That's probably a good price, but a little pricey for my taste from the Goodwill. Okay, I spotted this scale and I thought that it was adorable for the price. It is only $5.29. I believe it is a Pioneer Woman scale. I have one very similar. I believe that mine is actually vintage, but the style of these are almost identical. I'll show you a clip here of how I use and style mine, but wow, that was a really interesting and fun little find here at the Goodwill today. Okay, so all of this pottery, in my opinion, is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I will say this is not my style, but I was so drawn to this. I kept coming back to this and looking at this and looking at this. I thought about getting a couple of the mugs. I didn't, but I just wanted to film this for y'all because I know that so many of y'all will appreciate how absolutely gorgeous this is. You'll see me come back to this a couple of times throughout the video because I'll notice a piece that I might have missed earlier, and I just wanted to get clips of it for y'all just so you could enjoy it as much as I was. So here I am again. I am back at the pottery section because I spotted this piece and I thought this would be so beautiful for the fall. But then I'm like, remember, you need to stay focused. You are here to get organization items for your declutter. Now, this is why I always check the thrift store first before I go to retail, because as you can see, the prices on these organization bins here, they are extremely inexpensive. That one was like $2.29, and that was the biggest one. I'm showing you a clip here now just because I want to give you some inspiration. If you're decluttering, to go check the thrift store first. You will be surprised at some of the good quality organization things that you will find there. I love this casserole dish, y'all. I cannot believe I found one here with the dish actually in it, and for only $6.29, that is not bad. I actually have one of these that I bought without the dish, and I use it to hold books. I'll insert a clip. I'm trying to kind of give you a size reference there next to my hand. It's very tiny, but it works perfectly on my little corner hutch. Here is another piece that I absolutely love just because it has that old country look to it, but I was not paying $8.29 for this. I have a couple very similar to this that are kind of this same age and different things like that, and I use them during the Christmas time to put Christmas trees in, like little small Christmas trees, and then place them on my counter. So it's really cute if you can find those in different sizes, and you can kind of have a little cluster of them in the corner of your kitchen or a windowsill or something with some tiny little Christmas trees in it. It is so cute. So in case you are ever in the thrift store and you see one of these and you're thinking, oh my goodness, that is so cute, but what is it? Because it has the little holes on the side. It has the one hole in the top. Well, y'all, I was totally intrigued. I had to figure out what this was. I thought it would be adorable for, the spring season and stuff like that. Well, y'all, this is a potpourri holder. So it had a string that went in the top somehow, and then you put potpourri in it and hang it up somewhere so it makes your little area smell good. So I thought that was a very interesting piece, and that way if y'all ever see something similar to that, you'll know exactly what it's for. No thrift store trip is complete unless you check out the linen section, in my opinion. So this is where we're going to head next. We're going to head over to the linens and see if we can find any beautiful pieces that we just cannot live without today, even though there is nothing about the linens that's going to help me get organized. Okay, so no luck in the linen section, so I'm gonna go over to where they keep their furniture and their pictures and things like that and see what they have to offer. And I spotted this little desk because my little Briley is still looking for a vanity, and I wanted to see if this might be something that would work for her. So I'm checking this over. I'm gonna check the price, and then I'm gonna text them and see what they think. I'll put on the screen what they decided, and then we are gonna get ready to finish up this thrifting trip, and I'm gonna share my thrift haul with you, and then I'm gonna show you how I am using all of my beautiful pieces that I got today. So I did go ahead and pick up these 3 different types of organizers for your drawer because, like I said, I'm doing a big declutter and I wanted to get these. These are the Rubbermaid brand, and I like that it's smaller and it has this little connecting, get it to focus, kind of side over here. And then I also got, let's see, the bigger one. So I'm thinking I can put some bigger utensils in this. This was $2.29, which I didn't think was too bad. And then it still has, it looks like it's brand new. Go over here, it still has the sticker like from the store. I'll try to put up a shot here and show y'all how much this cost if you were to buy it brand new. I like that it's made in the USA. And no, this one don't go on that one. Let me see, I got one more. So I also got this one, and it has the little thing on the side too where you can connect it to other pieces to keep things from, you know, like sliding around in the drawer. Now this one looked also brand new. It was $1.29. Now tell me if it makes sense why this one is $1.29. This one's $1.29. See the difference? Anyway, I went ahead and got them because I could use this, and I like that these little ones kind of hook on here, so when, you know, you're opening and shutting the drawer, these aren't sliding around. So I'm gonna actually look it up and just see how much these all are a regular price, because I really like these. So yeah, so I've got all 3 of these to work on doing that declutter that I'm working on. I'll give you all a little before shot and an after shot once I get finished using these. Okay, so here's a little before shot for you. They're not terrible, but they're definitely not like I like them to be. Everything's just kind of, you can see where I tried to be organized. And then y'all know how it is over time, things just get mixed in and not in their right spot. Let me get my hand out of the way so y'all quit having a shadow. But yeah, so here's these 3. Now this one I just kind of organized the other day, so it's not terrible. So I don't even think I'm gonna fool with that one today. But then here is my silverware drawer, and I did get a couple of things to try and organize this from like TJ Maxx and stuff. So I don't know if I'll use any of those black things there, but I did want to show y'all I do have this white one here, and I think I got this one actually from the Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for something similar, you might try the Dollar Tree. I'm not really sure if they carry those anymore. But then these old Pioneer Woman ones that I have are really made for like long utensils. And as you can see, my silverware, every time we open the drawer, it just gets kind of shoved all the way around. So I did buy a different little white plastic one to go in here. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, and then I'll show y'all the after shot, kind of give y'all a little decluttering and organizing motivation here at the end of the video, but so I could try to get my drawers organized. Okay, another organization thing that I got was this adorable little 3-shelf corner cabinet. It was only $3.29, and I'm using this over in my spice cabinet. We have an old, I mean old, it was probably here when the house was built, Lazy Susan in there that does not work. It does not turn. I have tried to prop it up with different screws and nails and all the things, and it just does not function. So I am gonna ask my husband to help me rip that out, and I bought a new one on Amazon that I want to install in there and get all of my spices. As you can see, they're here all in this basket, piled up everything that I pulled out. I kind of need to get some felt over these unfinished pieces on the back of the cabinet doors, just different things like that. So I'm going to get this cleaned up. I think that it will be the perfect size in there in the corner, just for a few extra little things that I don't want to put on the Lazy Susan. So let's get it cleaned up and I'll show you what everything looks like in place. Did go ahead and spend the money on this beautiful picture because I thought that that was an okay deal. Even at $8.29, I thought it was a pretty good deal. I figured if I was to get this at an antique store or somewhere like that, I would probably pay a lot more for it. It was $8. Let me see if it'll focus for you. $8.29 there. And I think it's beautiful. It has just all of these little precious details. Let me try to get up close. Look there on the handle. Look at all the age that it has to it. It has this little thing here. Is that just so water wouldn't splash out? Does anybody know what that little lip thing there is on the front? This is beautiful. This is going to look so good with some fall florals. I think I'm going to either put it over here on my little corner hutch, or I'm going to put it in my guest bedroom where I would like to have some metal. I don't know. I'll play around with it and style it somewhere today, but that could change the next time y'all see it. I love the feet on this. Look at the little details on the feet. Let me get it to focus real quick. Look at that. I think that those are just super, super sweet. So if it did not have all of this little detail to it, I probably would not have got it for $8.29. But because it does have just that beautiful worn look that I love, and it had all of the unique little detailing on the feet and the handle, I thought that this was worth it. Some beautiful little peg rack, a little expandable peg rack. I love the colors of this one. I love that it is, you know, old and vintage. Some of the little knobs are loose, but I can tighten those up. It was only $2.29. And I have a couple, I actually have several of these, and so I might switch this out with one that I already have, just because I do like the colors on this one better. If I have it in place, I'll show you a clip of it. If not, I'll have to show y'all that next time, because I haven't decided 100% where I want to put it. I just know that I loved it. All right, that's going to wrap up today's thrift shopping trip to Goodwill. Thank y'all so much for coming along and going thrifting with me today, seeing my thrift haul and how I have styled a lot of my thrifted pieces, or how I'm using them in my home. We hope that y'all have a wonderful weekend. We love y'all, and I'll see you really soon with a brand new video.